everybody. I'm really glad that my previous video could be of some use to y'all, and all of y'all responded so much, and I got so many comments stating that it was helpful to them. So thank you so much for feeling that it is helpful for you. Now coming down to somebody who asked me a question about child psychology. Now I'll just give this to you very easily and briefly. Okay? So child psychology or any other form of psychology doesn't have a license in India yet. So the only licensing body that exists is for clinical psychology. That is the RCI license that you get after you do your MPhil, right? Now when you talk about child psychology, there are some colleges which might offer the degree, but there is no license per se of being a child psychologist in India yet. Although they are working on it for counselors and for other fields, areas in psychology, but it still hasn't come out yet. So maybe what you can do is you can find out, or I can do the research and I can get back to you on colleges which offer these master's programs in child psychology. But as of now, most people, what they do their bachelor's in BA or BSc in psychology, and then they do child psychology as a specialization in their master's degree. So that is something that you can end up doing. But talking about a licensure or something like that, that only and only exists for clinical psychology as of now in India. So as per the Mental Health Act of 2017, they are working on giving licenses to people who complete their masters, counselors, and clinical people who do their masters in counseling and clinical. But as of now, that does not exist. There is no separate license for a counseling psychologist. There is no separate license for a student who completes their masters in clinical either. They have to do their MPhil and then get the RCI license for the same. Now for child psychology, you can probably end up doing courses abroad. That's what a lot of people go for. And if that is not your that is not something that you want to do, then you can look up colleges in India that offer a degree in child psychology. And I think that should pretty much sum up the process of becoming a child psychologist, because there is no license yet. So you might have to do a master's, and then you might have to do a doctorate in the field of child psychology to specialize. Because I know a lot of friends who have done their MPhil in clinical and they specialize with children. So they take the path of clinical and then they specialize with children. They are not called child psychologists, but they are called clinical psychologists who specialize in a child population. Because there is no separate licensing body for child psychologists, this is the path that they choose. Or I know some people who've gone and taken psychiatry, child psychiatry. So this is what I know as of now, and if you have any other doubts, you can get back to me. I can always get back to you with universities that offer a program in child psychology for masters, but this is the route as of now.